In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Unreal Games Engine for crashing, Epic Games crashing. So first thing you're going to try is just go and type in Epic Games. Right click and open file location. Right click on this one, click on properties, compatibility, and here you need to click disable full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator. And then you want to enable run this program in compatibility mode. Click apply and then click OK and see if this fixes your issue. Now, if this doesn't fix your issue, you can close this down. Go here, type in run, and type here percentage local app data percentage. Click OK. And here you need to find the Epic Games folders and you need to delete them to delete the data of Epic Games. So if you go down here, let's see here, you're gonna find Epic Games Launcher, delete this one. You're gonna find Epic Games, delete this one. You're also gonna find, I believe, anything that's related to Epic Games, you should delete it so you can clear the data of Epic Games. So let's see if I can find something here. And I think that should be it. So yeah, like Unreal Engine launcher, also delete this one. Unreal Engine, delete this one. So after that, you can just restart your computer and see if this fixes your issue. If it doesn't, try to uninstall Epic Games and reinstall it, and hopefully this should fix your issue.